All right, let's jump into it. This is Max Fuse with Stockmasters. Today I have an awesome offer for you. It is for Seeking Alpha Premium at only $99 for the year. I personally have been using Seeking Alpha Premium for the last 4 or 5 years in my stock analysis. It's the best platform I have found to date. I really like the platform itself. It is very clean. It's very clean looking. It's very easy to navigate. And in general, it's visually appealing, in my opinion. Let's jump into some of the features. First, this is the summary page. Automatically, you have an awesome chart of the stock's performance, its total return on investment. Here you can see it's different ROI over time. So Coke has returned 540% over the last 30 years. Not too bad. Here, at a quick glance, you have the factor grades. I really like this because just from just like from a very general place, like you know whether it's valued good, you know whether the growth looks good, you know Coke is obviously very profitable. Its momentum as far as EPS goes and its momentum as far as performance goes and revisions as far as earnings goes. So I'm going to just real quickly look at three of the categories I really like. So dividends, you get an awesome dividend summary right here that goes over yield, payout ratio, 5-year growth rate, and dividend growth. I obviously use this a lot when I am creating my Instagram posts. It also tells you when Coke pays out. And here it'll show you the dividend history, which quarters it pays out and all that, right? Which is pretty neat. Next, the valuation tab. This really shows you the fundamentals of the company and whether the company appears to be overvalued, fairly valued, or undervalued. So I use this a lot, and personally when picking stocks, because I am a value investor. I am Warren Buffett Jr. That people have called me that, and not really, but I always invest for value. I'm definitely not a growth investor. Here, growth does show you margin, revenue growth, all those good things, which is useful, not a bad thing to have. Profitability, of course, is very important. We want robust profitability. And then momentum, I really like this right here, which shows you the company's performance versus the S&P 500, which we know is the benchmark and kind of that 10% ROI annually. That's kind of what everyone cites. Personally, I think it's closer to 6 or 7%, but don't quote me on that. So, anyways, Seeking Alpha Premium, awesome piece of software, or whatever you want to call it. Great platform to use when analyzing stocks. I highly recommend it, especially if you are always doing research on stocks. You're always trying to analyze stocks, pick some good stocks. Of course, you can also analyze ETFs, which I highly recommend to everyone because ETFs are a great base for your portfolio, but this is not about ETFs. This is about Seeking Alpha Premium. So $99 for a year, not bad at all. A great investment, in my opinion, just like to educate yourself on the stock market. And honestly, just to educate yourself on business in general. If you want to start understanding how business works, you have to look at these things. You have to understand these things. And this is a great way to analyze businesses and just, improve your overall knowledge on investing. So Seeking Alpha Premium, $99 a month. Highly recommended. This again is Max with Stockmasters. I appreciate all of you, all my subscribers. I know you don't hear from me too often, but I got a lot of good stuff in the works. I'm trying to get a little more active with this business because I love the stock market. I love investing. I want to teach you guys about it, and I want all of us to learn together and grow. So I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you. Bye.